First step is to cut the round ends off the popsicle sticks. You will need about 12 to 13 of them for the size of the ladder and 3 popsicle sticks for the steps of the ladder. If any of your popsicle sticks break or crack while cutting them, that's fine. Cut them in half and set them to the side. After you're done cutting your popsicle sticks, you're going to begin building one side of your ladder. You're going to take a whole popsicle stick and a half popsicle stick, and you're going to glue the half popsicle stick onto the whole popsicle stick. After you're done gluing the 2 popsicle sticks together, you'll grab another whole popsicle stick and glue that on. When you're done with that, you'll turn it around and then add another popsicle stick. And you'll continue this process until you get the desired height of ladder you want. The ladder I'm making is about 16 inches in height. It's about 3 popsicle sticks stacked. You might want to consider if you have cabinets, get a measuring tape or a ruler to see how high or short you need it. If you have any clamps, those would be perfect to use to hold the sticks together while the glue is drying. When you're done building one side of your ladder and you reach your desired height, you're going to move on and build the other side of the ladder using the same steps that you just used. This step is optional, using wood filler to hide the seams from where the popsicle sticks were connected and glued. It can also cover any cracks that the popsicle sticks may have. You can use a putty knife or a 5-in-1. I prefer to use my finger. I find it easier to make sure it gets in any cracks. Apply a thin coat, smooth it out, let it dry, and then sand it. Use many coats as you need. I only use, I believe, two to 3 coats to hide the seams. And I also used it to hide any gaps because I didn't have my clamps, so there was some gaps between the pieces, the popsicle sticks. Now we're going to glue on the steps. I'm going to use hot glue to do this. You can use E6000 if you choose. How many steps you have depends on how tall or short your letter is. You can have 2 steps, 3 steps, 4 steps. I'm using 3 steps, and I'm going to use a ruler to help measure out 6 inches between each step. Now I'm going to start with my first coat of paint. I'm going to be using the Crafterz Smart White acrylic paint multi-surface. I will do about 2 to 3 coats for each side. This part is optional. I'm going to use some caulk to fill in the cracks that the glue didn't get. The letter can be used on either side. I prefer this side where you can't see where the steps were glued on. You can also use a sealer if this is going to be near water or if you'll be placing damp towels on it. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.